Hey, YouTube fam, Danielle K. Howell here, and I am sitting in my hotel room because I'm at this event. So it is Wednesday, March something. I think it's the 23rd. Lost track of time. Some days they just, the days just merge into each other. But I'm at this event, this real estate event with Ron LeGrand, and it's been amazing. First of all, you guys know that I've been on this real estate journey, right? Just for a few months. It's been a few months, and I've had some deals this close, like this close. And, so every no gets you closer to a yes, right? Every almost deal gets you closer to that deal. So today I was actually on stage because my mentors, they called some of my leads for me and got me two more deals, $2 million deals. So, when I go home, I got to close them or whatever. So will they turn into actual closed deals? I don't know yet, but I'm going to remain positive. But the thing about it is this, right? And I know that I'm going to make, I'm going to be such a successful real estate investor. I already know. I already know it. You speak it, you claim it, and you visualize it and you achieve it. So that's what I want to talk about really quickly in this video. You have to really visualize what you want, what you desire. You have to really know what you want. And I know I talk about this a lot, but I don't think people really understand the meaning of desire. Napoleon Hill speaks about desire in the book Think and Grow Rich. And when you have that burning desire for something, right? And you really want it, you will find a way to make it happen, and you will stay on the course. You'll visualize it. You'll, put all of your energy into it. You'll focus on it. You'll, to the point where maybe you're even obsessing about it because that's how bad you want it. Successful people make decisions really quickly, and they change their mind very slowly. So in order for you to become successful, you can't be thinking about all the, what if this happens? What if that happens? So today, for example, I told Ron LeGrand, he's the papa, the big dog of real estate. He's been doing this for over 40 years. And I'm so blessed and thankful to be mentored and coached by him, right? So that's why I know I cannot fail. So today he autographed his books for me. And I said, I'm going to be one of your success stories. And he said, I hope so. And I said, I am. I said, watch, I am. He was like, okay, right? So I spoke something big, right? To somebody who's a multi-millionaire. And I spoke it out there, and I put it out there into the universe. I told him that. And even today, I'm like, you know what? The next time that man sees me, I'm going to be more successful than I am today. I am going to have some deals under my belt. Like, I'm already thinking about it, right? I know the next time I'm going to see him is probably going to be in June. And right now we're in March. And I'm just like, I'm going to have some success stories for him when I see him in June. So when you want to be successful, what I realize is that a lot of times people don't want to, speak what, say their goals. I mean, don't tell anybody your goals. Like, you don't have to tell, all 1, 2, 3, all the steps and everything that you're going to take, but make some big claims. This is what I'm trying to say. Make some big claims, right? Don't be afraid to say, listen, this is what I'm going to do. This is who I am. Watch me, right? Watch my smoke. Watch my success, right? Watch me. Tell somebody that. So that they can, so now you have to hold yourself accountable for that. So now I just told, Mr. LeGrand himself in person, multi-millionaire. He's trained and coached multi-millionaires all over the globe, right? I stepped to him and told him, I'm going to be one of your next success stories. And he's going to remember that. So when I am making my millions, right, in this real estate business, I'm going to remind him. I'm like, you remember when you saw my book and I told you that I was going to be one of your success stories, right? Listen, you can't be afraid to think big and to talk big, right? I know I call myself Boss Lady, Queen D. I call myself all types of grand names because that's who I am, right? I'm a child of God, and I'm great. I do great things. I hang around great people. And I put my best step forward each and every time. And you can't be afraid to step into your power, right? I know my power. And I think I spoke about this a couple videos ago. Step into your power. Speak big. Think big. Think big thoughts. Make big moves, right? I'm here in New Jersey. I'm here for quite a few days, staying in a hotel. And all I'm doing is rubbing shoulders. And I'm on stage. I have a microphone in my hand. Talking about $1 million deals. You have to see it before you can achieve it. You understand? Everything is going to attract to you the things that you desire. So you have to have that burning desire. You have to speak it into existence in order for it to manifest in your life, in order for it to become a reality. And this I know for a fact. Let me tell you something. In 2017, I was living in my dream home. When I say it was my dream home, I had that home on my vision board. Everything that I said I wanted in a home, I was living in that home. I visualized it and I manifested it into my life, into my existence. Where I was living, down to the T. I was talking to my daughter about this the other day and she was like, Mommy, I remember you saying that that's what you wanted. Now, long story short, I'm no longer living in that home, but now I got another dream home. Things happen, whatever. Que sera, right? Whatever will be, will be. But the thing about it is, this is what you need to remember. If you can do it once, you can do it again. Our whole lives is nothing but what we've imagined, what we visualized, what we thought about ourselves. So where you are right now is a manifestation of where you think you should be or where you thought you should be, in the past. That's right now is your future from the past, right? And now this present moment, you are creating your future. So by me speaking my big words, I'm going to be this successful real estate investor. I'm going to be a success story, this, that, and other. I was on stage. I didn't know I was going to be on stage. That was another thing I always said I wanted to do. I wanted to be on stage talking in front of people, right? Today I was on stage. It wasn't, how I really, really visualized it, speaking to my audience. That's going to happen though. But I was on stage with a microphone in my hand, speaking to multimillionaires, rubbing shoulders with them, hugging them. My mentors were telling me that they want to partner with me on deals. This is what I'm telling you guys. So it's not hard. You just have to know who you are. You have to know what you're here to do. You have to be confident in yourself, and you have to know that you are great and that you can achieve anything that you put your mind to it, as long as you have the desire and the focus and the will, right? And that intent to create what you want to create. So that's my story for you all here today. I just wanted to shoot this quick video because I'm just really, really excited as to what's going on in my life with the real estate. And just to let you know, I buy and sell houses. I buy houses in any condition, in any state. Of course, I'll have to have people in that state. But I buy houses and I sell houses for those who are, your credit is not good, or for whatever reason, you can't qualify right now for a mortgage. I can help you do that. I can help you qualify in like a year or two or however long you feel that you need. But I can get you in a house while you're qualifying. And I'm in such a great business that I'm going to be helping people all over the world. And I'm excited. I've met so many great people that I'm learning from, and people who are learning from me. And I'm just getting really, really, really getting this thing ramped up, and it's about to really, really take off. So I got a few deals lined up, and I'm just ready to, dive into this real estate, because real estate has created more millionaires than any other industry in the world, right? So whether you want to be a real estate investor or not, that's up to you. That doesn't matter. But home ownership, right? Home ownership generational wealth, financial freedom. That's what you want. That's what you desire. You know, if you had the wrong upbringing, you know, like a lot of us had, we weren't taught. We weren't taught this stuff. So I'm here to help every person become a homeowner, right? I'm here to help every person get out of a home that they feel that they can't afford anymore, or not if they can't afford it, they just want out of that house for whatever reason, and they don't want to deal with a realtor, right? I'm here. I'm the answer, and I'm here to help you. So, you know, comment down below if you found this video helpful for you. If you have a house to sell, if you have if you want to buy a house, let me know. We can talk, and you know, I can assist you. All right, my friends, I love you guys. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. And hit the like button if you like this video. Share this video with anyone that you know that may need some inspiration, some motivation, and or need to buy or sell a house, right? I'm your gal. I'm your online success coach. Boss Lady, aka Boss Lady, aka Queen D. And, you know, superstar, whatever you want to call me, whatever you call me, that's what you're calling yourself. Because I believe that when we are, you know, when we big each other up, and, you know, we say great positive things to one another, that is also, we are saying that to you, but you're also saying that to yourself, right? So I love you. I love myself. I love you guys. You're great. I'm great. You're great. And let's all just be great. And I'll see you at the top, guys, because the bottom is just way too crowded. All right, my friends, have a good rest of your day. And I'll see you guys in the next video.